Well, welcome to day 2 of this. I did find substantial damage to the seal at the output shaft, and went ahead and took the rest of this apart, so I'll let you go follow along with that and we'll comment afterwards. Good morning. We're back at it again. It's actually about noon, and we have pulled off the connector for the exhaust and taken the exhaust out, and we are just going to disassemble this actually right in the frame. I was looking at Himalayan tools demonstration video, and they did a whole big bore kit in the frame, and that's actually going to be a lot easier to do. So we've removed the exhaust and we're going to continue from here. Well, with a lot of finagling here, we managed to get this valve cover off, and the nice thing about this is I didn't realize these are roller rockers, so there's actually very little chance that they have wiped out the cam, which appears to be good. I don't see any spalling on it or anything, so that's good news. We're going to start to take this head off. Very good. Alright, so next out we have the cam, and I am not seeing anywhere on those lobes whatsoever, as I would suspect with the roller, and they seem to be quite oily, so it's not like it ran all dry up here. Pick things up. Seem to be any excessive wear on this camshaft bearing. Oil galleries are filled. When you take these head bolts out, watch these little washers down here, because you don't want to drop them down into the engine. That would, wreck your day. But really, wear seems non-existent. So I'm thinking we ran very low on oil, but we're circulating it up here. Oil cools, cleans, and lubricates. The last thing it's going to give up is lubrication if there's anything there. If there's enough quantity to clean grit out, and more so quantity to cool it. So what I suspect is we got low enough that we've cooked the rings, but as it is right now, it looks pretty decent. I'm guardedly optimistic. We've lifted the head off now, and the valves don't show any sign of burning or anything. We're going to do a little fluid test, make sure they're holding. But that's all looking pretty decent. I think we're in pretty good shape. We're going to get that barrel out of there and take a look at the piston soon.